Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Dr. Chitendra Singh, Honorable Minister of State and Minister of Earth Sciences, Dr. Ravi Chandran, Secretary at the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Dr. Mohapatra, Director General of Meteorology at the India Meteorological Department, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the World Meteorological Organization, it is my honor to extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt congratulations to IMD on this extraordinary milestone, the celebration of its 150th anniversary. Established in 1875, IMD stands as a testament to India's pioneering spirit in meteorological science. For 150 years, it has served as a cornerstone of weather observation, forecasting, and research across the Indian subcontinent. This legacy of dedication and innovation has enhanced India's resilience and contributed greatly to the global good. IMD plays a fundamental role in disaster risk reduction by protecting communities from extreme weather events. Its expertise also supports key sectors such as agriculture, water resource management, energy, tourism, aviation, and public health. The commitment to public service resonates deeply with WMO core mission of ensuring a safer and more resilient world for all. The socioeconomic benefits that result from these targeted meteorological and climate services are huge. And my message today is that investment in national meteorological and hydrological services is a win-win for everyone. This is something that India can be proud of. The 150th anniversary milestone also reflects the unwavering dedication and brilliance of generations of scientists, researchers, and staff who have served IMD with passion and purpose. Their tireless efforts have not only strengthened India's meteorological capabilities, but have also enriched the global scientific community. At this juncture, I would like to say a special word about the essential role of an Indian female scientist who was a pioneer. Anna Mani, born in 1918, advanced to becoming Deputy Director General of IMD. She excelled in a male-dominated profession and was a role model for female meteorologists all over the world. In 2025, WMO celebrates its 75th anniversary as a specialized agency of the United Nations. When I look at WMO photos in 1950s and compare them with today, I realize how far we have traveled towards gender parity, but also how far we still have to go. As a founding member of WMO since 1950, India has been an invaluable partner in WMO's programs. An Indian representative has been on WMO Executive Board for more than 60 years, longer than any other country in the Asia-Pacific region. Dr. Mohapatra currently serves as the third Vice President of WMO and provides invaluable leadership. Thank you, my dear colleague. As you may know, WMO ADN is worldwide collaboration, helping build capacity in those countries lagging behind. This could not be done without members like India. India plays a vital role in regional meteorological cooperation. Last month, IMD, for the first time, hosted the Asia-Oceania Meteorological Satellite Users Conference here in New Delhi. I am proud that it was a huge success. It brought together operators and users of meteorological satellite products for a dialogue which is of great potential benefit to climate-sensitive sectors and vulnerable communities. IMD hosts several WMO-designated regional centers, including the Regional Specialized Meteorological Center New Delhi for tropical cyclones. Accurate forecasts and warnings and coordinated disaster management have served countless lives, not just in India, but in the entire region. Tropical cyclones used to claim tens of thousands of lives. Thankfully, this is now a nightmare of the past. This is exemplified by Tropical Cyclone Mocha in May 2023. Timely forecast by the regional climate here in New Delhi triggered major humanitarian preparedness and response activities before Mocha made landfall in Myanmar and Bangladesh, and loss of life was kept to a minimum. In this regard, congratulations again to IMD to have been elected in 2024 as host of the WMO ESCAP Panel on Tropical Cyclone Secretariat, and I'm grateful for IMD to be coordinating this vital work for the countries bordering the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. WMO is also immensely grateful for IMD's support for the South Asian Climate Outlook Forum and its seasonal predictions for all important southwest monsoon. The seasonal outlooks are invaluable for the regional economy and are an example of how we can leverage science to serve society. We commend your interest in strengthening forecasting and monitoring also in the Third Pole region, including through the new Third Pole Climate Forum. Flash floods are major hazards, as we all know. Since 2018, India has served as a flash flood guidance system South Asia Regional Center. It provides flash flood guidance and forecasts to India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, supporting nearly 1.5 billion people. 1.5 billion people. WMO has been delighted to train more than 90 IMD staff in operating, sustaining, and supporting flash flood forecasting and warning operations, including training the trainers. We are gratified that in turn, IMD has supported other countries with training and tools for timely warnings. IMD commitment to climate monitoring and early warning systems align perfectly with the International Early Warnings for All initiative to ensure that everyone on Earth is protected by life-saving early warning systems by 2027. We commend you for translating complex science data into actionable information via tools like the newly launched Decision Support System and the MAUSAM Unified Mobile App. Early warnings work. They must work for everyone and reach everyone. IMD and Indian experts share this expertise through their active participation in the working group and expert teams of our technical commissions and regional associations, and such make invaluable contributions to our WMO community. This celebration comes at a crucial moment for the planet. Like many other countries, India had its hottest year on record in 2024. The country suffered prolonged extreme heat, which greatly impacted human health, agriculture, water supply, and energy supplies. Heavy monsoon rains caused disruption and death, and we saw with tragic landslides in Kerala in July. More recently, air pollution hit alarming and dangerous levels in many parts of the country. At global level, this was the warmest year on record, at about 1.55 degrees above the pre-industrial era. WMO announced last week that it is likely that 2024 is the first calendar year temporarily breach 1.5 degrees. Crossing 1.5 degrees in an individual year does not mean that the Paris Agreement is dead, but as we all know, it is in very grave danger. As WMO Secretary General, I repeatedly say that the climate crisis is closely interlinked with the inequality crisis. We must mark 2025 as a year of decisive climate action to reduce greenhouse gases and speed up the transition to renewable energy. Climate change mitigation must be informed by the best possible science. National meteorological and hydrological services all have a vital role in providing tailored weather and climate services to power the shift to renewables and to support adaptation and mitigation strategies. In the long term, the cost of climate action will be much more less than the cost of climate inaction. We have a responsibility to future generations and to the planet. To conclude, along its rich history, IMD excelled in evolving to respond to a changing world, a changing climate, and a changing role to better serve societal needs, both at the national, regional, and global levels. As we celebrate IMD's 150th anniversary, we are aware of the challenges and opportunities ahead. We are proud to have worked along IMD, and we look forward to continuing our journey together to build a sustainable and resilient future for all. Congratulations once again on this momentous occasion.